Is your iPhone showing cannot send audio messages at this time? Let's fix that. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device first. Scroll down and search for the messages option in settings. Tap on that. Here, toggle off the iMessage option and then toggle it on again after waiting for some time. Go back to settings and tap on accessibility and then on sound recognition and make sure the sound recognition is toggled off. Now, go to general in settings and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to latest version of iOS. In general again, click on shutdown and restart your device after waiting for at least 60 seconds before restarting. Once restarted, go to settings and then on general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset now and then on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and reset network settings. If it is still not fixed, try restarting your device again, but this time by pressing the power button and the volume up button together. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.